Hey you guys, I'm back. So today is day 2. Well, it was day 2. It's late now. I got pretty busy after school and I didn't have time to do a sit down today. Well, I didn't have a time to do a sit down earlier. So today was pretty cool. We pretty much just went over the syllabus again, because he had a syllabus that's from the school and then he has a syllabus personally for himself and us and just his class. So we went over that syllabus. He gave us the calendar, like, to let us know what we're about to be doing for the next 8 weeks, and all the homework, all the tests, all the exams. He pretty much just gave us an inside scoop of what we're about to be doing for the next 7 weeks actually. This is what the paper looks like. So it just tells us what we're going to be doing throughout the day, what homework we're going to have that day, what test, whatever it is, if we don't have any school. And then also he told us how to access the online portal. It's been a while since I've been in school. I haven't been in college since 2014. So I'm forgot all about syllabus and online portals and signing on and all that. I don't remember none of that. So for people who are just starting out, never been to college, or people who don't remember, this is for you. People who already know, this ain't for you. But yeah, basically he taught us how to do the online portal. If he decides to, for whatever reason, cancel school that day, if he's sick, we'll find all that out online. So basically something that I need to check every day and every night, because I ain't trying to get up at 5 in the morning and then he cancel class. So definitely gonna have to do that. So today is Tuesday. We went over the syllabus. We didn't get into uniforms. We didn't get assigned lockers. We did the introduction to basically the portal. I think that's what that was for. We did the rules and regulations, and we went over some of chapter 1 of our Milady book. So he did a lecture on that. Basically, chapter 1 is about the history of cosmetology. So I took some notes, highlighted some stuff. He also did give homework. So since we got our books today, we got our books today. I got my book yesterday actually, but it was required for us to have it today. So yeah, I got my books. We went over the book. Yeah, so we took notes. He did a lecture on chapter 1. We didn't get too far in it, so we're going to finish that out tomorrow. Yeah, so I am doing my homework. Chapter 1 of my homework is due on Thursdays, and I haven't even started. So I'm doing that now. I'm going to try to finish it tonight. If not, I have tomorrow, Wednesday, to finish it. And it's due on Thursday. And the test is on Thursday of what we're studying. It's been a while since I've been in school, so the studying and doing homework is pretty much new to me again. So that's pretty much all we did today. It was pretty chill. Tomorrow's going to be pretty chill as well. We're going to finish the chapter 1 lecture and I believe get assigned seats, assigned lockers, basic stuff. But Thursday is going to be the day where we get our kits and we got a test. So we'll pretty much probably be doing that all day, assembling our kits and doing our tests. So Thursday is going to be a pretty exciting video because I'll bring my kit home and I'll go through it with you guys and show you guys all what's in there, the brands and everything like that. So today is pretty chill. I'm just going to do my homework and that's pretty much it. So I'll check up I'll check in with you guys tomorrow, let you guys know what happened, what we did, so on and so forth. So all right, today is day 3, and why am I not prepared? Anyways, today was pretty cool. We just got our assigned seats because now it's kind of like permanent of how many people are staying in the class. At the time, there was people that was on the waiting list, and there was people that were on the roster who ended up dropping the class and stuff like that. So we kind of got a feel of how many people is going to be in our class now. So he assigned us seats. So we did that this morning. We didn't get assigned lockers. He told us he was going to do that tomorrow, but it was supposed to be done today. We talked about how our kits are going to be arranged. So he gave us a list of how many like individual Ziploc bags, individual clear boxes that we'll need for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're getting our kits. So when we get our kits tomorrow, I'll definitely go over like what's in it and all that good stuff. I did, however, get some stuff from the list that I told you guys about yesterday, I believe, or the day before yesterday. I told you guys about the list that we needed to get that didn't come in our kits. So I did get some of the stuff that's in the kit. I mean, I did get some of the stuff that's on that list today, even though it's not due until next Tuesday. But I did, however, get some stuff, because since we are getting our kits tomorrow, I figure I'll get the bag that we need. It's an 18-inch Husky Pro rolling tote. I got it from Home Depot. You do not have to get that brand. You don't have to get it. That's just what's recommended. I did find another brand on Amazon. It was like $74, but it wasn't going to get here until Tuesday. So I'm like, yeah, I can't take that risk. So I decided, you know what? I'm just have to pay the extra like 10, 20 bucks. It was $89.97, so like $19 more than what would have been for the other bag that I was going to get off Amazon. And it was another brand. I don't even know like the quality of it and all that stuff. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll get my bag now. Might as well just get it now. So it was $89. I got it from Home Depot. So if you're interested in getting one, if you're in cosmetology school and you need to get a bag, that's where you'll get it from. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I got all this stuff up in here. So this is how the bag looks. You got a whole bunch of different pockets on the side. It got pockets inside. And it's pretty durable. The guy at Home Depot said it's a good model. It's the new version. It's the 2020 version. So it's good quality and all that good stuff. So we gonna figure this out. So I got that so I can check that off my list. I'm gonna highlight everything that I've gotten so I know. So I got my 18-inch Husky rolling totes. The reason why I got this stuff is because like I said, we're gonna be getting our kits tomorrow and we're gonna be assembling them. So I'm like, I'm not about to carry no big old box home. So I'm like, I might as well just get my bag. I mean, so I can get it out easier. I got the Ziploc bags. We needed 3 large 2.5 gallon size Ziploc bags for the assembling of our kits. So I got this from Ralph's because I went to the Dollar Tree 99-cent store. None of them have the 2.5. I seen the 1 gallon, I seen the 2 gallon. They did not have the 2.5. So I had to go to Ralph's and spend this. It was $5.95. Wait, no, it was $4.49, and I got it from Ralph's. So I had to, because I'm like, we gonna need it for tomorrow, and I got time to be going to all these different stores trying to figure out. I ain't got time for that. So this is it. You only need 3 of them, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna break and rip and stuff gonna bust in them. So I got, this box comes with 12, so I should be good. I can mark that off my list while we go through this. I can mark it off. So I know. And I needed 2 to 4 shoe boxes, clear shoe boxes. So what I ended up getting was, well, I have these cute pink ones, but they're like for personal use, but they're cute. So I was thinking about using them, but I did get these ones from the Dollar Tree. These little from Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, whatever is in your area. I got it, and then it comes with this little lid. It's not really, it's like real flimsy, so I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be replacing these, but the lid don't fall though. So these are, you need about 2 to 4 of these. So I don't know how many I got. And then I also got this one. I wanted to use this one for my daily setup, because we need, I'll go over all that with you tomorrow, because I don't really know exactly what's gonna all be in here. But this is basically gonna be my little tote that I keep on my setup station with all the stuff that I'm gonna need every day, like hand sanitizer, stuff of that nature, combs, stuff like that. So I figured I'll do this one different, so I already know. Even though everything's gonna be labeled, but just to know, like, all right, this is my daily setup, so I already know. So yeah, I got this. And then I got my loose leaf paper. I know I said I wasn't gonna get it, but actually somebody gave me this, so I'm like, might as well keep it. So yeah, that. And I think that's it. I didn't get anything else. I was just trying to prepare for tomorrow. Tuesday is when we'll need everything, which is next week. So we get a 4-day weekend this weekend, because Friday we don't have any school, because my program is only Monday through Thursday. And then Monday is a holiday. I believe it's President's Day. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all we did today. We finished the lecture for chapter 1. We went over that pretty much. Just, he gave us a practice test in class today, and I did a practice test online this morning just to see if I got it, and I only got 2 wrong, but the 2 I got wrong, I haven't read about it yet, so I felt like, well, I guessed and I got it wrong, but I know it now. What else did we do today? That's pretty much it. We finished early. We finished like 2.5 hours early, but we needed our hours. So I finished my homework in class today. So now all I have to do is study the chapter 1 over again, study over the homework, look over my homework, make sure everything is right, because homework is due tomorrow. And on top of that, we got a test tomorrow. He told us the test has 34 questions about chapter 1. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna get our kit tomorrow. We're gonna assemble it tomorrow, and that's it. So if we got some extra time, I'm gonna already get started on next week's homework, because next week he talking about we got like 50 pages to read. We got like 3 chapters. So I'm real worried. I'm like, let me get a start on this, because I'm about to be behind. I'll be ahead, but I'm not gonna be behind. So yeah, I'm gonna just get my little bag ready for tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. Nothing extravagant happened today, but this is just the first week. So next week we gonna jump right into it. Next week is like when it gets real, so I'll have more exciting videos for you guys. I don't know if we'll be able to get graded on our test right away, but if I do get graded, my update for tomorrow will also be what I got on my test and what I got on my homework. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys like right now, because once I edit this video, you're gonna get the next video.